Hello guys, so we're gonna have a theory on and review on Cars 3 2017. Will be released in I don't know, but it would be awesome to see it because in Cars 3 you're gonna see McQueen get beat up by a Lamborghini who's not really in a racing circuit right now. You only see customized, I think, R8s, the kind of cars you use in customization, not Lamborghinis, because Lamborghinis has high speed already and their parts cannot be enhanced anymore, or you need to make your own parts to upgrade the Lamborghini because their parts are really expensive right now, and it may be even in the future. So as you can see, Lightning McQueen is destroyed in the trailer, and there's two characters introduced. One is a new Rusty car. Maybe he will be the replacement or a partner from McQueen to beat the Lamborghini car. And the second car is the Lamborghini, the black one, with added blue. So he will be the opponent to beat for Lightning McQueen. I don't know who will teach him how to beat it, or him. I don't know, because they're actually not living things but objects. Okay, so my review of the trailer, I think it's gonna be awesome because Lightning McQueen has never been beaten fair and square right now in the movies or in any of their series. So my theory, there's something about the black Lamborghini, that's why he is the new villain, because Lamborghini are badass, to be exact. So this is my theory in Cars Part 3. I don't know when will it show, but it's a kind of an awesome movie for 2017. And if the Rotten Tomatoes give it 60% above, it's gonna be a great movie for all kids alike and adults also. Also I like to add that there's a scene or image rumored right now that the surface is slippery, so maybe the effects of the slippery road in the circuit is gonna be the reason why Lightning McQueen will have an accident on the movie, because slippery roads is not so good for race cars or any persons alike who are trying to race. So that's an added review and theory of what's to come to the Cars Part 3 of 2017.